NASA launched a special mission, and they hope it could potentially save the world one day. The agency sent a spacecraft on a collision course with an asteroid about 6.8 million miles from Earth. Dubbed Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, it embarked on a 10-month journey in December. The impact will not destroy the asteroid, but NASA hopes it will adjust its orbit by 1%, enough to change its trajectory. Though no current threats exist, the mission will provide astronomers and scientists important data. Scientists say in the future, if the Earth is ever in the path of an asteroid or meteorite, this could prevent a catastrophe.
Right now, what happens with our Earth, obviously it's a bigger threat to your and my life. What happens, frankly, in space weather is also a bigger threat because of our dependence on technology and kind of astronauts out there defending threats from deep space.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.